so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a green smoothie. Consists of green apple, banana, some kale and some celery and some spinach. Okay, but before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Okay guys, so and remember to follow me on all social at okay. So green juice is now, it's flu season, so I'm gonna try to do more green juice, yeah, and more healthier juice. The greener the healthier. All right, so less of those sweet foods. All right, so let's dive right into this video. So as I said before, I have some green apple cut up. I have a banana for a little taste. This one is not as sweet as the one before. I have some kale, celery and spinach in this bowl. I have a yogurt, and guys, I'm gonna be using water today. Okay, as I said before, I'm trying to do healthy. Okay, so come with me on this healthy smoothie journey. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna add the banana to the blender. See, this one is not as overripe. This is not overripe. This is just normal ripe banana. So the more overripe they are, the more sweeter they get in the smoothie. This is the apple, and I didn't peel it. Didn't peel it, guys. Okay. And these are my bushes. So this is the spinach mixed with the kale and the celery stick. Okay, so trying to do healthy as I said before, so let's go. So this yogurt is peach yogurt and it's Greek. I'm gonna try to put some yogurt in there to give me a little push to drink it. And I'm gonna use water. You can use coconut water. That could be healthy. I'm gonna cover. And then I'm curious to see how this tastes and what it looks like. And there I have it, guys, my green juice smoothie. Look at it. It's looking green. As the name says, it's green. So I'm gonna gas this now and taste it for you. Ooh, pretty green. Pretty green, guys, pretty green. Pretty green. Let me get my straw. Pretty green, guys. hold on guys. So this is my green smoothie. I have spinach, kale, and celery in there, and the green apple. So let me tell you about the celery. Is very pronounced. The apple is green. It was sour when I tasted it. It gives it a tangy taste, so it's not sweet, and the banana add a little flavor to it with the yogurt. So even though I use water to make this smoothie, it's very tasty. There's no takeaway from this smoothie with the water. So guys, go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Don't forget, guys, to tell me what you think about this nice smoothie, and go ahead and try it. It is healthy and it's good for the flu because it is green. It has some nutrients in there that can fight the flu. So go ahead, guys, and remember to do your research. Everything you do, Google, do your research. All right, don't take my word for it. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.